What's going to happen relative to this TV40? I know that they're federal and under the Federal Communication Commission, but what can you, as the senator representing Atlantic County, do when we in Atlantic County, Cape May County, Cumberland County, now depend on TV40?
We do depend on TV40. I think what I'm going to do, and I would encourage others, whether you're in public life or not, to get in touch with the FCC and tell them how important this is and how underserved we are if we are relying on the Philly media outlets, with all due respect to them, and persuade them that this is vital to our region in terms of information and frankly in terms of safety. I mean, when you have whether it's a Hurricane Sandy or other, look at the weather that we've seen this past winter, where we've almost been the opposite of Philly. And I'm in touch with my sisters who live right outside of Philly and on the Pennsylvania side. And when we got hit with snow, they had rain. And when we're getting hit with snow, we had rain. If you listen to the Philly networks, you wouldn't be aware of what was going on along the Jersey Shore. But fortunately, we have on the TV side, Channel 40, and just on that weather. And then also the local, not just the local news. I heard one of your callers, singing the praises of Michelle Dawn Mooney, and I think the whole team there does a great job. But also the public information shows. So you have one that runs Saturday night, and Don has one, and Barbara has one as well. And it's not just politics, of course. It's entertainment, it's community events, and so on and so forth. So for us to lose that, these are public airwaves, and there's a public interest in making sure that the public is served. So we're going to be reaching out to the FCC and adding our voice to those who have already made them aware of the concern here, and hope that that we don't lose that network of service that we have for not just Atlantic County, but for all of South Jersey.